చెప్పు డైలాగ్
Hello, we are going to buy Panasonic double door fridge. You can see the displays here. Freezer temperature, reference temperature, lock and unlock system. There's a mode over here. This is Japan brand Panasonic. It has 10 years warranty on compressor. You know the compressor is the costliest part in the fridge appliances. That makes the fridge costly. And here it is. You can see
so much place is there. So much place is there. You can see all the things. It is visible. The baskets, the everything, the shelves. These are the freezer and this is the fridge. So you can keep here vegetable, fruits, milk, everything. And here you can keep cheese, ice tray,
safety glass.
And fruits,
Quality of the glass.
cheese, milk, whatever you want, you can. So
Bottle
nice. Yeah, it is perfect for our house. So I buy this one. It is a steel body. So I like it. Is very easy to clean and everything. It's look very elegant
Classy.
and classy look, and it's give color match to my kitchen. Yeah, it is stainless steel, so it is rust proof and it is easy to clean. Yeah, it's very nice.
Wheel trolley है
Yeah, it's a wheel. It is movable. You can move. Easy to move. Easy to move, and you can place wherever you want. It's so easy. So we buy this one.
One person is enough to shift the fridge.
Thank you so much.